Hello everyone, and welcome to our journey into the realm of sound bath meditation. This is a form of meditation that is becoming increasingly popular due to its unique approach and numerous benefits. But what is sound bath meditation exactly, and how can you engage in this practice at home? Today, we're going to dive into that. Sound bath meditation, also known as a sound bath, is a meditative experience where those in attendance are bathed in sound waves. These waves are produced by various sources, including healing instruments such as gongs, singing bowls, percussion, chimes, and voice. The idea behind a sound bath is simple yet profound. As we know, everything in the universe, including our own bodies, is in a constant state of vibration. These vibrations, or sound frequencies, have the potential to resonate with our bodies and minds in a way that traditional silent meditation may not. Sound baths leverage this idea, using specific instruments and techniques to create sound waves that can help to facilitate a deep state of relaxation and healing. Participants often report reduced stress, increased mental clarity, and a sense of peace and well-being after a session. Now, you might be wondering, how can I practice sound bath meditation at home? Here's a simple guide to get you started. Create a comfortable space. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You might want to lie down on a yoga mat or sit comfortably on a chair. Choose your instruments. Sound bath instruments can range from singing bowls and gongs to bells and chimes. If you're just starting out, you might want to begin with a simple singing bowl, which you can purchase online or from a local wellness store. Start playing your instrument. If you're using a singing bowl, you can make it sing by striking the side gently with a mallet and then running the mallet around the rim. Experiment with different techniques until you find what resonates with you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Immerse yourself in the sound. Once you start playing your instrument, close your eyes and focus on the sound. Allow the sound waves to wash over you, permeating your body and mind. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sound. Finish with silence. After playing your instrument for as long as you feel comfortable, allow the sounds to fade away naturally and sit in silence for a few moments. This allows your body and mind to absorb the experience. Remember, like any form of meditation, sound bath meditation is a personal journey. It's all about finding what resonates with you and allowing yourself to relax and find peace in the experience. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the deep sense of tranquility and rejuvenation it can provide. And that wraps up our exploration of sound bath meditation for today. We sincerely hope that you found this video enlightening and that it has sparked your curiosity to explore this unique form of meditation further. If you've enjoyed this content and want more tips on various meditation practices, feel free to subscribe to our channel, Meditation Tips. We're always eager to hear from our viewers, so if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, please drop a comment below. Your feedback helps shape our content and ensures that we're delivering the information you're most interested in. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We're excited to continue this journey together, exploring the world of meditation and wellness. Until next time, take care and happy meditating.